50% on or is it 50% off? Oh, it's on. And it's off. Awesome. Hey YouTube, today I'm going to take on a project that's been bothering me for quite some time. These 3 light bulbs are not LED and they draw a lot of current. Every time I flip these on, I hear my 12 volt converter run. So I'm going to put on a pull chain switch to get rid of that problem. I can turn them off when we're trying to boondock and not use a lot of power. We already have a LED light in the bathroom, so it's just extra light that we really don't need. So I'm going to get started and put on a switch. This is the additional LED light that's in the bathroom. It gives off plenty of light to do whatever you're going to do in there at night, except do your makeup. Alright, I'm just gonna make this easier to drill and all that by taking this off here. Yes, the battery is disconnected. Strip a couple of wires here. The switch that I got, just a pull chain. And we can bet that the wires will be 2 inches too short to do what we want. I'm going to go from in here this way. I might make it. Yeah, it's going to be close. I'll take this tie wrap off here. That'll give me a little more movement. There we go. That'll work. I don't know if you've watched any of my other videos, but I just used a unibit to drill that hole out to the correct size. They're great. They don't grab the sheet metal. They don't distort anything. Just run it in and run it up to the size you need. that. Of course, we have to have the novelty of having the trash truck come here at the campground while I'm videoing. Alright, bring this up. Give that a good crimp. Okay, and it is ready to go back up. Put the chain, I'm going to put the chain on the right side. Now, I'm left-handed, so I always fight that. I think that'll be better, and it won't fall down into the medicine cabinet. Screw back in. One started, two started. Sweet. And we'll add that pull chain string. And I'll shorten that way up. Yeah, about like that probably. I'm only going to use this when we boondock, maybe in the middle of the night when you actually want to come into the bathroom and just be able to see that you're taking Tylenol rather than Advil, or that you're grabbing eye drops and not Preparation H, something like that. But yeah, this probably won't get used real often until we boondock more. But I always heard the converter kick on, the 12-volt converter, every time we turned this light on because of these 3 light bulbs. All right, is it 50% on or is it 50% off? Oh, it's on, and it's off. Awesome. This is another little light that I picked up at Big Lots, and I just got it above the toilet, and we can come in and at night turn that on if you just need a little bit to stumble around and not kick the cat. But now that I have the pull chain on the light above the vanity, I probably won't need this anymore. Hey, that's it for today, folks. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed this little tiny light upgrade, nothing major, but it does make things work a little bit better, and that's what I'm all about, to make the rig do what I want it to do. Please click like and subscribe. I've got lots of other videos up that do about the same thing. Just low-tech, easy things to do that you can do while you're out camping or in the driveway. And maybe one of them will save your weekend camping.